Hello my friends, welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at VEVOR's manifold gauge set. It comes in this nice hard protective house, which is really nice. I love this case. Let's go ahead and lift it up, show you guys everything that you get inside. Of course, they supply you with operating manual, multi-gauge, quality seems to be there. All your accessories for the lines. Again, the quality does seem to be there. Different nozzle. Looks like replacement as well. And we can't forget about the lines that they do provide. 3 lines, blue, red, and yellow. Alright, so it looks like it can handle 600 PSI. Okay, so here it says, the refrigerant charging hose, 600 PSI, 3000 PSI burst, for those who are wondering. It looks like each hose can handle 600 PSI ongoing pressure and 3000 PSI a burst of pressure. Overall, very nice kit, my friends.